Apprenticeship training providers need to understand that curriculum intent is not a list of curriculum aims, published in a document or on a website. Ofsted states that curriculum intent is a framework for setting out the aims of a program of education, including the knowledge and skills to be gained at each stage. The key word is framework. A framework of aims is not the same as a list of aims posted on a website. The intent is setting out what you want learners to do and why. When thinking about a curriculum intent framework, apprenticeship training providers need to consider the following. Does your curriculum set out the knowledge, skills and behaviours needed to take learners to the next stage of their education, training or employment? Have you identified and documented the knowledge and skills needed by learners by the end of their apprenticeship? How will you measure that they have achieved the necessary standards? Have you planned and sequenced the curriculum so that learners can build on previous teaching and learning? How do you ensure that learners develop new knowledge and skills? Does your curriculum take into account the needs of learners, employers, and the local, regional and national economy? Does your curriculum ensure that all learners benefit from high academic, technical, and vocational ambitions? Is your curriculum ambitious for disadvantaged learners, or those with special educational needs and disabilities, including those with high needs? When designing the curriculum plan, the first step is to identify the knowledge, skills and behaviours of the apprenticeship standard. These standards set out the endpoints that learners will be working towards. However, when designing the curriculum, the intent, implementation and impact cannot be done in isolation. In order to be able to demonstrate impact, providers will first need to determine what each outcome's performance measures are. This should be a four-step process. State what will be delivered, or what the apprentices will need to do. Identify the type of measure that will be used to demonstrate achievement. Define the performance benchmark. What benchmark will be used to measure performance? And finally, schedule when the outcome will be implemented or completed. Providers should be able to show what they are delivering to develop each of the knowledge, skills and behaviours. There are a wide range of measures that can be used. These include grades achieved by learners on assessed work, observations, surveys, exams, interviews, products of work, and portfolio submissions. In the next video, we will explore curriculum implementation.